with, which is really hard, and that it's really important to find ways, in spite of other cultural challenges, to get stuff made anyway, right? So yeah, I mean, we work with a lot of companies, and we work with a lot of individual sort of teams and leaders that are really working hard to change those companies. I think if we wait to flip the switch to make companies into broad-based innovation cultures, you're going to be waiting a long time. So the challenge is, in the face of that, how do we develop either the competencies in a small way or ways of taking an idea and getting it through? So the way I think about that is like, what's going to change what isn't, right, in the near term, and how do we sort of push that idea through, right? But I have that benefit as a consultant with big companies. I don't have the same challenge, which I respect a ton, of someone that's basically trying to change that culture. It's hard, though. It's really hard, and it takes a lot of time. It takes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years in the experiences that I'm aware of to really move the needle in terms of going from something that's like a less innovative culture to a more innovative culture, or tolerant of that type of culture. And in this sort of last point around commitment, you have to constantly be working on it, because as soon as you sort of take your foot off the gas, the organization goes back to what it does really well, which is efficiently supporting and delivering the things that it knows how to do. So that, I mean, that isn't like, it's just kind of like the yoke we must carry if you're in the sort of design and innovation business and you're trying to get stuff done in organizations. So super important, to answer your question. In the face of it, you know, you have to find ways to get it made.
Do you have any studies that you could share with some of the larger companies, how much they spend as a percentage of the revenue on innovation?
No, I don't.